All right, good morning. May 6th, 2023. Yeah, here I am, Pang Lao, Bahal. Just out of the beach, gonna go for some swimming. And man, there was a lot of activity here a little earlier. A bunch of these boats headed out with all the tourists. You can see a boat getting loaded up there. They go island hopping, scuba diving, and just giving you all a little peek of what's going on here. We're just parked up here, and we got a little knick-knack store going on here. Morning, guys.
Hello.
Beautiful, beautiful day. Beautiful day. Beautiful view, nice boats, beautiful people.
Wanna go island hopping?
Not today, my friend, not today. We're gonna go swimming over there. But one day, one day, one day. So there you go. Well, give you some more vid here in a bit, but this is where the adventure begins. And this used to be a very nice, quiet beach when we moved here. There was nobody here, no boats.
Boats?
No, it's all good, my friend. Thank you. Yeah, enjoy that cup of coffee. And then the parking down at Alona Beach with all the boats, it's forced everyone to come down here and turn this place into a bit of a fuck show. Local garbage dump. It's pretty sad the garbage you see here, but it's still beautiful. Yeah, morning. We even got one of these signs that put up. See all the garbage over there at the tree. But first offense, 500 pesos. Second offense, 1,000. Third, 2,500. I don't think anyone's ever got it. Look at that gazelle go. Killer bee running down the stairs. The old ogre, he's gonna roll down and break a leg. It's not that easy. Yeah, show off. King Marcos, he did a video here like 3 years ago, and it was dead, nobody. He called it Private Beach, but no longer. Discovered many years ago. There's the giant stairs. Killer bee, filming me, filming you. Yeah. So we got to make our way around, down and around, hook up her father and daughter. Morning. Oh, doesn't that sound good? Love the sound of that. Yeah, it ain't hard to get used to. You're walking under these things, hoping you don't get a shaker, because they happen here daily. Morning. I'm kicking off my sandals. I don't like wet sandals. Oh, I might not have to. The boats are loading up. I've got some mermaids out there. Some fish. Hey, look at that. Yeah, we're right under it. Crazy. Killer bee crazy. Morning. Thank you. Grand Central. Morning. Yeah, they come from all the way down there to down here now, because they used to board a mile away, but somehow they got chased out of there. Now they all board here, which turns what used to be the private beach into chaos. Welcome to Alona. Hey, baby. Missing the roof off of that place. Oh. Yeah, it's, I don't know, 10 after 7 in the morning. I haven't been swimming in about 2 weeks, but I had a wound on my back. I think it's all healed up now. My boondog. Beautiful day. Beautiful day. Yeah. Nice. Killer bee. Blue Ocean Bahal Resort, I guess that one's called. Looks like we got a dive boat loading up here. I hear clanging and clanging, and it ain't bottles of Sam McGill, I'll tell you that. No, that's oxygen bottles. Different clinging and clanging. Not my kind of clinging and clanging, I'll tell you that. Sounds like work. Maybe one day. Maybe one day. That's a long canoe, eh? Looks like it's got twin 250s on it, maybe. Big power. You know it's gonna be thirsty. Wrong color for my liking. Oh, there's the rest of the family. We got Grandpa and Kate in the shade. All right, you guys go swimming? Yeah? Beautiful sun, yeah. Did you go swimming, Kate? Yeah?
Yeah.
Nice.
Nice.
Mermaid. Mom's coming, I took. There's the mama. And Grandpa. We got the tug of war going on here. Wonder who's gonna win the tug of war. See the tug of war?
What?
Tug of.
Okay.
Wonder what they were doing. Sand monsters. Sand monsters. So they're still fixing some places up. Building some new ones, it looks like. They've done a lot here since 2 weeks because I think all that iron construction's new. Check out this old Hitachi though, eh? Air conditioned. Rollover protection. Good as new. Yeah, doing some new over the old. I don't know why they just didn't demolish the whole fucking thing. Crazy. Oh, I guess I should get in there. I'd like it when the water's a little higher. It's coming up.